We've seen Mr. Smith's message that's been sent out to you. So, unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to talk about holiday homework, and we're still unsure as to what's happening with the sack that was meant to be taking place this afternoon. So, more information on that to come. But it is important that we get this holiday homework out to you, and I thought that it was also critical that we try and do as much of our regular teaching face to face as we possibly can in this online environment at the moment. So part of that is that I wanted to give both classes an opportunity to have a verbal introduction to where we are going next, which is within our Unit 3 still. So as you can see here through the textbook, we're still in Unit 3, but we've moved on to Area of Study 2. And we're focusing on how does the body produce energy. So we've already done the analysis of movement through our skill acquisition and our biomechanics. Now we're on to the energy production section of this. If I could get you to have a look at your textbooks, I think it's really important that we do start right at the start of this section and we look at the key knowledge and key skills that are required for you to be able to understand and complete as we work through this guided learning from home. So the fuels, the characteristics of 3 different energy systems, the interplay and how oxygen is used are absolutely critical as I work my way through the key knowledge. Finally, over in the key skills, this is going to be quite challenging, and Mr. Smith and I are going to meet about how we are going to get you to participate in a variety of physical activities. We'll film some things, we'll send them out to you, we'll modify it so you can do it within the home if that's the circumstances we're dealt with. Observe and analyze. We can use videos, YouTube, etc., ClickView, so we'll guide you to that, and about being able to explain. So we're going to get you to send us work. We'll be providing you with feedback on that work. I also like to always remind you of this flowchart that comes at the start of every chapter. This is a flowchart that is great when you finish this chapter to be able to go back to it with no other notes and prompt your way through verbally explaining to somebody else, might be parent, guardian, or a sibling or a friend. You walk us through all the way through the energy systems and the fuels and what does interplay mean and what is this system or group of systems and how does this system work, and as you break it down, if you can verbally explain that to someone else, you're in a really good position for any exam questions. More videos to come about some specific pieces of information, and we'll continue our work.